we'll guide you through how to use Google Drive Video Playback effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com to access your Google Drive. Once you're logged in, locate the video file you want to play. You can do this by using the search bar at the top or by navigating through your folders. Click on the video file to open it. Google Drive will automatically begin buffering the video for playback. You'll see the video player interface with controls at the bottom. You can click the play button to start watching the video. If you want to adjust the volume, there's a speaker icon where you can click and drag to set the desired level. To watch in full screen, click the full screen icon at the bottom right of the player. If you need to pause or skip ahead, you can use the pause and forward icons respectively. For those who need subtitles, Google Drive supports captions if they are included in the video file. Click on the CC button to enable them. You can also adjust playback speed by clicking on the settings gear icon, then select playback speed to choose your preferred option. If you want to adjust the video quality, this can also be done in the settings menu by selecting quality. Keep in mind that buffering might take a bit longer if you're on a slower internet connection, so be patient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.